What's up guys, this is Prag from The Ordinary Life and this is the unboxing and first look of E by Nescafe. So you can get this from Amazon, and if you buy it right now you'll get this coffee worth 470 rupees free. Quality feels great. So first of all we need to open these two tabs right here, another one. So now I guess it will open like this. Okay, I'll read it later. So here is the travel mug. This is the travel mug. I'll keep it aside. And this is the measure spoon. Okay, so I have to figure out how to open this. So we'll need to do this, and then so here is the real coffee maker, I would say. This is user manual, and so let's keep the box aside. This is actually very nicely packed and has a great feeling to it. While I'm unboxing, it does not feel cheap. So here is the stand, and this here is the trial mug. Okay, so this is how it opens. So this will fit here nicely, and this will be how it closes. Okay, so I'll be back with you after using it for a while with the review of this thing.